welcome back to the channel. The Career Success Academy is glad that you're here. I'm Steve. We've got a real good video for you today. Something we want you to consider. You know, when we talk about doing research, when we talk about investigating those places where you see that there's an opportunity and you're trying to get a little bit of a leg up, well, I'm going to share with you some information that was given to me last week. And I think you can apply this to yourself. Maybe this won't work in every situation, but I want you to think about this. Right now, the typical process is there's a job posting, you react to that job, you send in your resume, right? You don't know if it's going to be screened through some automatic system. You don't know if it's going to go straight to the recruiters, but here's what you do know. By the time your resume gets to that hiring manager, it has gone through several views to get from those 5,000 resumes or 500 resumes down to the top 5 and the top 1 who's going to interview with the hiring manager. And a good percentage of those resumes that are screened by HR, that are given to that hiring manager, well, let's face it, they don't always address the key points of what the hiring manager is looking for. They reflect what the hiring manager told to HR. Okay, that's important because they don't always match. And while HR is looking for this set of requirements, the world is changing for the actual hiring manager. Life is happening, okay? And so here's what I'm going to suggest that you do. And this is a little bit out of the box, a little bit creative. I just want to say that up front. So the person that I was talking to last week, and I'm just putting my own name in here, received the following direct message on LinkedIn. And it went like this. And again, this person is the hiring manager. He was looking for someone. And by the way, this worked so well, he interviewed the person. I didn't ask whether or not he hired the person, but he actually interviewed the person. This direct message started off by saying, "Hi, Stephen. I hope you're well. I wanted to learn more about the mid-level project management role that you posted about. I'm currently," and basically gave its title, "I'm currently a project manager with X amount of years of project management experience in the tech industry, including roles at ABC and XYZ companies. I'm looking to continue my career in the project management space. I'm passionate about quality and teamwork, and I'd love the opportunity to show you how I can create value for your health technology team. That's just like what I did on this project," and then he inserted the project name that he had been working on, the candidate. "This is just like the project I delivered for my last employer. I hope to hear from you soon, and I'm happy to provide a resume. Thank you," and then it was signed. Short little direct message. And let's talk about this for a second. We're going to talk about what this message does and doesn't do. First of all, the person took the time and trouble to research who they thought might be the hiring manager. Could be wrong, could be right, but somebody's getting a direct message. And you know what? If this was the wrong person, they're going to forward it to the right person. They will. What is that reader going to think? Let's talk about this. At this point, they know who you are. They know you're qualified. They know you're confident. It's important. You've set yourself apart from the crowd. You're confident in your own background. That's the message that my friend got from this. They know what you did. They know what your company did. And they're going to take an interest in you, and that gives you a huge leg up, because the purpose of all this is to be remembered. Okay, they're going to think that you are a creative individual too for doing this. Third point we want to make out of 4 points. Third point is, if this person who's reading your direct message is the decision maker, you have to understand that that person is probably busy. Everybody who's a decision maker is busy these days. They're fighting fires, and they don't have time themselves to go through a stack of resumes. What you've done is basically move up to the top. They're going to be looking for your resume. Now, if this person, like my friend, is smart, all he did was answer back to the person that there is a process. We're going to need you to send your resume to so-and-so at HR, and whatever the process is. But you see, the hiring manager is going to be looking for that resume. The hiring manager is going to be letting HR know that a person is going to be sending in their resume. And oh, by the way, take a special look at it. It's brilliant. It's just brilliant. And believe it or not, my buddy was very impressed. Okay, so last point here, let's talk about what this direct message did not do. We didn't ask him for a coffee meeting, right? Air quotes, coffee meeting. We didn't ask him, we didn't start off by saying, hey, how are you? I want to be your friend and all that. No. It's very concise. It's very much to the point. Very important for a person who's going to be busy on the other end, who's not expecting your direct message, and is going to give you about 30 seconds of their time until they're kind of interested, and now they're going to think about you a little. And then lastly, the direct message didn't say those words that nobody wants to hear. Hey, can I pick your brain? Who should I be sending this to? Don't do that. So, in conclusion, what are we saying here? We're saying be creative, think out of the box. Do like my buddy did. Be impressed because you got a direct message. So let's recap. Your plan of attack is to get an interview. How you do that is up to you. Be a little different, be a little creative. I hope this tip helps you. Again, my name is Steve. This is the Career Success Academy. Please like this video. We hope that you're subscribed by now. Please share this with your friends. We're all about helping you propel your career forward, even in these tough times. Hope to see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.